Welcome to Yesterday Plus One. Today, we're diving deep into something we all do, but not many of us think about: breathing. It's the most natural thing, yet most of us don't do it properly. Proper breathing can transform your physical health, mental clarity, and overall well-being. Stick with me as I guide you through how to breathe properly and unlock the benefits of effective breathing. Chapter 1. Why breathing properly matters. Let's start with a simple question. Why does breathing properly matter? Breathing is something we do automatically, right? Yes, but the way we breathe impacts our health in more ways than you think. Shallow, chest-level breathing can lead to reduced oxygen intake, which in turn can increase stress and fatigue. On the other hand, deep, diaphragmatic breathing helps your body and brain get more oxygen, leading to better focus, relaxation, and improved overall health. Chapter 2. Anatomy of breathing. Let's break it down. Breathing is a simple yet complex process involving the lungs, diaphragm, and even the muscles in your neck and chest. The diaphragm is the star here. This dome-shaped muscle at the base of your lungs should expand as you breathe in, allowing more air to fill your lungs. When you use your chest muscles instead of your diaphragm, you're not allowing your lungs to fully expand, which leads to shallow breathing. So, we need to retrain ourselves to breathe deeply. Chapter 3. The right way to breathe step-by-step guide. Now, let's get practical. Here's a step-by-step guide to breathing properly. Step 1. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Relax your shoulders and keep your back straight. Step 2. Inhale deeply through your nose. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Focus on your diaphragm expanding, not your chest. Step 3. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Now, exhale slowly through your mouth. Purse your lips as if you're blowing through a straw. Feel your abdomen fall as you exhale. Step 4. Repeat. Repeat this process for 5 to 10 breaths. Make sure you focus on slow, controlled breathing. Chapter 4. Common breathing mistakes. Here are some common breathing mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Chest breathing. Many people rely on their chest muscles rather than their diaphragm. Remember, your stomach should expand when you inhale. Mistake 2. Holding your breath. Some people unknowingly hold their breath, especially when stressed. Try to maintain a smooth flow of air in and out. Mistake 3. Overbreathing. Taking in too much air too quickly can make you feel lightheaded. Stick to slow, controlled breaths. Chapter 5. Breathing techniques to practice. Now, let's explore a few powerful breathing techniques you can practice daily. 1. Diaphragmatic breathing, belly breathing. This is the deep breathing technique we just practiced. It helps reduce stress and improve oxygen flow. 2. 478 breathing. Breathe in for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. And exhale slowly for 8 seconds. This technique is great for relaxation and can help with sleep. 3. Box breathing, square breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold again for 4. This is perfect for calming the mind, especially during stressful moments. Chapter 6. Benefits of proper breathing. So, what's the payoff of breathing properly? You can experience benefits like reduce stress and anxiety, better focus and concentration, improved sleep quality, more energy and endurance, lower blood pressure. By practicing these techniques regularly, you'll start to notice a calmer mind, better mood, and more energy throughout the day. Chapter 7. Incorporating proper breathing into your daily routine. How can you incorporate proper breathing into your daily routine? It's easy. You can practice deep breathing while commuting to work, taking breaks at your desk, before going to bed for better sleep, during stressful moments to calm your mind. Make it a habit to check in with your breath throughout the day. You'll be surprised how this small practice can make a huge difference. Remember, breathing is a tool we always have with us, but most of us don't use it to its full potential. By practicing these simple techniques, you can transform your health, reduce stress, and increase your energy. Thanks for watching Yesterday Plus One. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content